Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for the way to permanently delete your Instagram account from your iPhone, this is the right place to know how you can do this. So stay with us till the end. First go to the Instagram app and then log into your Instagram account that you want to delete. Go to your profile, click on this hamburger menu. From this, go to settings, click on help. And then again, go to Help Center. There is another hamburger menu, click on this. Then choose or select Manage Your Account. From there, here is an option called Delete Your Account. You're supposed to reach a page like this. There are three options here. From temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, scroll down just a bit. Here is your Delete Your Instagram Account option. Now, here's a tiny arrow. Click on it, ignore everything, just straight go to Mobile Browser Help. Now, if you're in this page, scroll down a bit, and here's your Delete Your Account option. Why don't we click it together? Now here, there's a tiny arrows. If you click on this, you're going to see a list of reasons that you can choose from why do you want to delete your account. Select whatever option that best describes the reason. Let's say for this video, I'm choosing something else. Now enter your Instagram password. Now tap on delete. If you're absolutely sure deleting your account, just press on OK. Congratulations, your Instagram account is now in process to permanently getting deleted. If you change your mind in 1 month, you can come back and reactivate this account. Otherwise, don't log into your account and it will be permanently deleted after 1 month. Did you follow the process with us? Did it work? What is it that you want to share with us right now? Write that in the comment section. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.